Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change your Among Us account. Hey everyone, in today's video, let me show you how to change your account in Among Us quickly and easily. Now, you can switch accounts directly in a game, so here's what you'll need to do. First, open your phone settings and scroll down to your apps list. Find and tap on Among Us. Next, head over to Storage, then tap Clear Data, Clear Cache. This step resets your game's saved account info. Once that's done, open Among Us again. You'll now be prompted to select a Play Games profile, update your username and icon, then tap Next, Continue, and confirm once more. That's it. You successfully changed your account in Among Us. Simple, right? If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.